In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to your Fire TV stick. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect or cast your iPhone screen to your Fire TV stick. Now first things first, you want to make sure that both your iPhone and your Fire TV stick are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if you come over to my iPhone over here and then just scroll down, you can literally see that my iPhone is actually connected to iPhone 13 Sam, which I am basically using as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. So you can go ahead and connect it to the same hotspot or the same Wi-Fi. Now come over to your Fire TV stick and make sure that your Fire TV stick is actually connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot that your iPhone is actually connected to. So if you come over to the settings of my Fire TV over here, come over to network, and then you can literally see that the Fire TV stick is actually connected to that same Wi-Fi. Now finally, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store of your Fire TV stick. So just scroll over to where you have the App Store over here on your Fire TV stick. And from the top search bar over here on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and search for the app known as AirScreen. So enter this input field over here, and then you want to go ahead and start typing AirScreen. And even before I finish typing, you can literally see the AirScreen app over here. Now this is actually the app that is going to serve as the Apple AirPlay for us to be able to cast and screen mirror our iPhone to our Fire TV stick. So you want to go ahead and select it and then download and install this particular app into your Fire TV stick. I already have it on my Fire TV stick, so if I open it up, it will automatically take me to this particular page. If you're downloading and installing it for the first time, you might actually have to go through the quick setup process before you get to this page. But once you get to this page, you want to come over to your iPhone now and then just scroll down to this notification center over here, and you're going to see the screen mirroring option over here, which is basically this box icon over here. So just go ahead and click on that icon, and automatically your iPhone will start looking for all of the available Fire TV sticks it can actually connect to. And as you can see over here, this is basically the name of the AirScreen app we just installed into our Fire TV stick. Now go ahead and click on it just like so, then give it a minute or two, and automatically your iPhone will be screen mirrored and screencasted to your Fire TV stick, as you can see over here. So I can go ahead and start playing games and watching movies from my iPhone, and they will be displayed on my Fire TV stick. I can actually come over here and then come over to play videos from here, and they will be played on my Fire TV stick as well. Now to stop this screencasting or screen mirroring, I can just come over to the top, click on the screencasting, and then click on stop mirroring, and automatically the mirroring feature will be stopped. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.